Hey guys, it's Abby, and today I am here to unbox the Disney Villains craft box from Sophie and Toffee. They very kindly sent this to me. I am so excited. If you follow any of my other channels, you may know that I am obsessed with Disney, and that's pretty much what I live for. So when I heard that Sophie and Toffee made a licensed Disney Villains box, I was like, I need that. So I reached out to them and they very kindly sent me one. Look at this box. I'm keeping this box. It says, meet me on the other side. Oh my goodness. Okay, and then there's a fancy sticker here. I don't want to rip it. Oh, so fancy. And then here we have a booklet. It says Disney Villains. And then there's a list of items. We're gonna look through them one by one though. So first we have a bunch of pigments here. It says produced by Sophie and Toffee, made in Taiwan. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 pigments, some pin backings. I forget what they're called, the little loops. They're not bezels, but anyway, to make your charms into keychains. Jump rings, ball chains, a key ring, and then a gold key ring and some magnets, it looks like. So we're gonna be able to make a bunch of stuff with this. And next we have some decals. Let's see. Can you guys see? Oh, this is backwards. Lots of villains. This is vicious, immortal, and then faces of the different villains. Here we have some cane slices, Ursula's tentacle, poison apple, shell, Queen of Hearts. We have some resin here. Oh wow, it even has like the villain's label on it. Oh, shaker oil. And then here is the 2-part resin. I haven't used 2-part resin in ages. I am living for these labels. Look at that. And then we have some crystal LED resin. Oh my goodness, so many types of resin. And then there's another bottle in here. So you have some UV resin. Oh, look at this, Maleficent, Queen. This one has Ursula. I'll have to open this one later, we'll take a peek. And then, oh my goodness, bezels. Shall we take a closer look? So we have Ursula, Jafar, Maleficent, Evil Queen, Cruella, and the Queen of Hearts. And then some tiny charms, some wings, crown, heart with a dagger in it, poison apple. And now the molds. I kind of don't want to take these out yet because I don't want to get them all dusty. I have dogs that shed all over the place. But looks like this is a potion bottle, and I think we have 2 of those. And then some tiny molds to make the flat charms. I assume these can be used for like shaker charms and stuff. And then we have the big mold. Sorry about the glare there, guys, but I think you can see. Maleficent, Evil Queen, Ursula, and I want to say those are both Evil Queen, but that might be Queen of Hearts. These molds are really nice. Let's take a peek at the booklet now. Villains Emblem mold, Shaker Bits mold, Maleficent potion mold, and Evil Queen potion mold. And then a list of evil items, resins that we saw, and then the findings and pigments. Then we have more bezels, shaker bits, film, and little metal charms. So there is no actual shaker mold, it looks like. So I guess you need to find some different shaker molds, but I do have a bunch of those, so we will make use of them. And it says thank you for being a subscriber. See you in the next box, and there is a pumpkin carriage on it. It says have faith in your dreams and someday your rainbow will come shining through. I assume that's a spoiler. Anyway, this was just the unboxing. I will put information about the box down below. I do know that they are only taking orders through May, I'm gonna say 31st. I think it was the end of the month. So if you do want one of these villains boxes, I'm assuming they're made to order, you're gonna need to get that order in. This is a licensed box from Singapore. If you're buying from the United States, you're going to need to go through a forwarding service just because of the licensing and laws and stuff like that. But I will put details down below and you can check it out. And that's all for today, but I will start crafting right after this and we'll have some videos for you to check out. See you then. Bye!